Hello, kind viewer of this video. I'm going to currently demonstrate. I'm going to demonstrate the project I'm currently working on, just for fun. I'm going to set up right here my what I'm using. I have a 9-volt battery. I've got an Arduino, which is a programmable microchip. I don't need this wire. I have a breadboard with 2 potentiometers to control 2 variables, which I'll be telling you about in a second. I have an LED, which I don't really need for anything. I have a transistor. I'm using a transistor to drive a 9-volt motor, which is hooked up to this setup from this UNO game, UNO Attack, as I believe it is called. And the Arduino runs off a 5-volt battery, so I need to, but I have a 9-volt battery, 9-volt motor, and so I am driving the 9-volt motor using a transistor, which I can't remember what transistor it is. It's not a MOSFET. I can't read it from here. And I am changing 2 settings, and what I'm trying to do is spit out exactly 1 card at a time from this UNO Attack machine. And so I have a screwdriver somewhere around here. I don't actually have it. To change 2 little potentiometers, and those potentiometers control how much power is in each pulse, using pulse width modulation, which is built into some of the Arduino pins, and then the other potentiometer controls the duration of said pulses. The pulses occur every 5 seconds, and I can change that within the script. When I eventually finish construction, I'll have a push button. So when I push the push button, it'll begin the script. I need a screwdriver to change my potentiometers because some tweezers, that might be better. But when I hook it up to a 5-volt power source to start it up, as you can see, it is spitting cards out every 5 seconds. And I'm still trying to correlate exactly the right length to spit cards with. And so this is what I've been doing all night, is trying to get these cards to spit out exactly the rate I intend. Right there, just switched the duration potentiometer backwards so the pulses will last for a less amount of time, and obviously that does not allow the cards to extend fully outward. It does allow them to extend partially outward. And maybe if I hook up the power, I can get a slightly better burst. There we go, power's hooked up, or pushed up, just a nudge. And it's pushing out 2 cards, which is another, you might say, bug I need to currently work on, is a way to make sure that it only spits out 1 card at a time every single time. It is okay if the cards stay within the machine to be removed by hand, but I do not want this overhang, as we see right here. And so maybe I will turn the power up just a touch. I have some other ideas for design, which I'm going to try out, but those will involve more mechanical construction relating to the way the cards are placed within the card shooter. I'll turn the power potentiometer down. For my own sake, I added a red LED to the breadboard, and so I can see exactly what's going on, because the motor is hooked up to 2 capacitors that allow it to start almost instantaneously. And at times, those disconfigure how long the pulses actually last for. So I have this red LED to tell me how long the pulses will last in for. We need to hook the power. Or did I knock a... There we go. Now, as you can see, I can turn both of these up and get an insane amount of cards coming out like this. And I thought that's pretty cool. How can you not enjoy that? Okay, goodbye.